Hi, kids! I'm Professor Brian. Nice to see you in my lab. Do you know what glass is made from? Glass is made from sand. Let's make glass now. First, mix a form of sand with lime and soda ash. Next, heat at a very high temperature. Then, wait for the mixture to cool down. Finally, glass forms. What a mystery! Let's call it a day. Bye, kids!